Hey from Bugeye Guy, this is our electric Bugeye. The first car is now finished. This is our prototype and we're excited to share it with you.
What do you got for volts?
160, 161,
Oh, so you're
plenty.
like 75, 86. Yeah.
And 13.5 on the low voltage side. Okay?
So in this video I'm going to share with you a little about what you're hearing there in the discussion with me and Russ, and there is a view inside our building, our cool 1951 Resto Mod Quonset hut. And that's where we built this thing, and we're super excited about it because it just works so well. It took us a while to work out a few details, but now we got it figured out and we've got a great product. We have kits coming soon and we're doing our second conversion, so we're very committed to this, and I'll tell you why in this short video. It is, in fact, I think the best thing we've ever done, and now we've sold about 250 Bugeyes, so we've had a lot of variants and a lot of interesting cool projects with these cars, but this one is smooth and fast. In fact, it's the fastest one we've ever had. It's a direct drive system. In fact, that little switch, which is a turn signal switch, by the way, a repurposed turn signal switch, there's reverse by pulling it back and pushing it forward for forward or neutral in the center. And it's a direct drive, no transmission. In fact, that's a bottle of Harvey Stoon old engine oil beer in the cup holder, so we've got that instead just for fun. But anyway, this thing is really great. The AC motor that we've used has regenerative braking. When you get off the gas, you've got a lot of deceleration like engine braking. You'll see it right there. You can almost hear the engine working as if in reverse. I do it again here. I stomp the gas pedal and then I back off completely, and you get full braking in the back. A little bit like someone gently pulls the handbrake right there. And it's not annoying in any way. It's actually kind of fun. It feels like you've downshifted. And if you feather the gas, the regen goes away and you can coast up to a stop sign or whatever. And that supplements the front disc brakes beautifully on this setup, so that the brakes are really up to the job of stopping this car, which is 0 to 60 in about 10 seconds. Again, about the fastest Bugeye we've made. We've tried to retain all the stock look of the thing. The dashboard is great and, very much like the original setup. I didn't want to have a big glass panel or fake carbon thing. It needs to look and feel like a Bugeye, and this one does. Now, there are people out there who can't get over the lack of exhaust noise. We've got a way that we've provided that. We have actually a speaker under the hood. I'll show you in the next video. And this car goes vroom vroom, which is also kind of fun to have. But it is just such a great fun car. I have found, as much as I love exhaust noise, that it's really not a problem, but you'll make your own choice. Anyway, here we are at the post office. That was the other big point of this video, a mission to get an order for a catalog customer that was late to the post office on time. And the Bugeye, of course, electric or gas, is perfect for these kinds of little errands. And here we are at the post office, ready for that delivery. You saw me in the shop talking to Russ about the voltage. The 161 is the engine battery voltage. That's how we know how much fuel we have in effect. That's about 80% full, or maybe 90%. And then the cigarette lighter is the voltage for the house battery or for the lights, and that should be about 14 volts, which is what we have there. Thanks for watching from Bugeye Guy. We'll have more soon.